unboxing the Eksa Star Engine Pro. If you guys want to check this out, there's Amazon links below, but let's get to unboxing this. Opening up there, got a cool image, kind of. Almost looks like Mayan, that's interesting. And then we have Star Engine Pro right here. Well, that's interesting packaging. You can't actually pull this up, but let's get into it. Very interesting packaging here. All right, so here is the mic. Stays pretty much where you want it, but if you go too far, it's gonna go a little bit back, but looks like it's pretty good. That's what the mic looks like itself, pretty nice. We also have the just rubberized cable here. It's a USB Type-C to 3.5, and that's everything in this little box. Let's take the, ooh, a nice like microfiber bag. Let's take this out. And there's the headset itself. Now this looks interesting. It actually looks better than I thought. This outside right here feels like metal, but I think it's plastic. Initially it felt kind of cold. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so the grill is metal. I don't know if you can see that grill, but the grill in there is metal. It's actually a pretty cool design. I don't love like this stuff. I don't love the accent green stitching, but that's all up to personal preference. A lot of controls that seem easily separatable. A volume wheel there, USB-C, your mic. Let's just plug the mic in right away. There we go. The metal here seems pretty standard across a lot of like more Chinese-based companies. Good adjustability, good side to side. You can see that's a decent amount of side to side. The earmuffs feel plush, but a little bit stiffer for its plushness. And same thing with the top band, but a decent amount, actually a great amount of plush in both directions, so that is really good. And lastly, in the box, you just have your paperwork.
Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.